Welcome to the 8th section. Here you will get helpful information regarding translations. How do subtitles help with the translation of a video? Why should you translate your video anyway? And what's the best way to proceed? These and other questions will be answered in the next 3 lessons. Let's take a closer look at what you can expect. As a first lesson, you will get a little motivation. You will learn what it means to translate videos and why you shouldn't ignore your international audience. But we will not talk about the actual translation process in this lesson, but in the next one instead. I have had better experience translating transcriptions rather than translating subtitles directly. I will compare both methods and you will decide for yourself how to proceed. Finally, I would like to talk about online translation tools. I will show you translation tools like Google Translate and other platforms and tools for translating transcriptions and subtitles. After this section, you will be able to judge whether you should offer subtitles in different languages. You will also learn about methods and tools that can be used to create very good translations. You will be ready to make your videos available to an international audience. As always, if you have any questions or comments about the course, feel free to contact me. Good luck!